What's going on, SHIB Army? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about the best case scenarios for Shiba Inu, both in the short term and in the long term when it comes to price action, when it comes to burning tokens, when it comes to Shibarium. All of these things will be factored into these best case scenarios for Shiba Inu. I want to start by saying that this year has been rough in the crypto market, but Shiba Inu has really withstood the test of time. Many people said SHIB would just pretty much die out and be nothing. Well, they were wrong, right? SHIB is still here. It's still a top 15 crypto. Yes, it's down a lot since its all-time highs that were set last year. However, the big question coming into 2022, once we realized we were in a bear market, was, would Shiba Inu survive? Would the community still be strong? Would they continue development? And all of those answers to those questions are yes. The community is stronger than ever. We are adding holders, not losing holders. And the Shiba Inu development team continues to give us updates, continues new initiatives, continues to hire great people. All of this is great. Now, before we get into some of the best case scenarios, just ask that you hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely helps us out tremendously here. Super grateful to have you back at the channel. If it's your first time, welcome in. So we're taking a look at the chart right now. And on the far left-hand side of the screen, right above me there, and I'll point my cursor to it, this was our June lows right in here. Okay, you can kind of get a glimpse of where we were at back in June when we hit these lows right here. All right, we got all the way down to like the 507 level. Then we just had a nice steady rise all the way throughout the summer, right? Wasn't like a crazy rise or anything, but just a nice steady growth pattern. Then we had the big explosion happen in August. By the way, the first explosion bouncing off those that 507 level was back on June the 21st. We've since dialed back a little bit, right? Gave some of those gains back, came back down in here to about the 509 range, 4010 range, right where we were back in July. We were right there here in October. But recently, look what's happened. We've had a nice little run up. Shiba Inu ran up with Dogecoin, actually topped out up here at the 15 level, but nice little consolidation pattern forming and really a bullish looking pattern here for Shiba Inu in the day chart. All right, so looking at this from a best case scenario standpoint, we know that Shibarium is out there. So I want to talk about the first thing I want to talk about is the next 2 months, really the rest of November, rest of December, before we turn the page into 2023. I would think the best case scenario right now for Shiba Inu is to run up and break this resistance that we now have from August 14th, which is somewhere right below the 18 range. I think if we broke this resistance and got into the twos before the end of the year and actually ended the year somewhere in the twos and we turn the page to 2023, that would be best case scenario, in my opinion. Now, can we go higher? Sure. Can we go lower? Yes. I'm just giving you my perspective here. I would feel comfortable with what I have invested in SHIB, with knowing how this year has been from a macroeconomic standpoint, if we can get to those twos and sustain it as we roll into 2023. Now, long term, obviously, I want to get all the way to a penny someday. That's going to be way down the line. But one of the things that we have to bring up, a big factor here that is going to play a big role, is burning the supply. And recently, a couple months back, the SHIB Discord moderator, SHIB Queenie, said there's a chance in the next 12 months we could burn 111 trillion tokens out of the supply. That would be absolutely ludicrous and insane. It would drastically increase the price of Shiba Inu. So finding new ways to burn the supply is of importance, but you can't lose sight of on-chain development, building applications that matter, right? So that is where Shibarium comes in. And I think Shibarium, coupled with a little bit of a bullish sentiment here the last couple months of the year, could help us get to those twos. But then 2023 and beyond, it's all about growing the ecosystem, providing more utilities. Of course, we have a lot of utilities now, but I want more, right? I want to be greedy. I want more than just the NFTs, Shiba Swap, utility in terms of forms of payment, Shibarium, Metaverse, Shiba Eternity. These are all starting to rack up, but the more and more that we can provide to the eventual Shiba Inu investor allows them to see that this company is not going anywhere and they continue to build and continue to defy the odds, continue to show the naysayers that Shiba Inu's here. It's no longer a meme. It's no longer a joke. You got to take this thing serious. It's a multi-billion-dollar market cap, and they're growing. So best case scenario, we burn more of the supply, we keep adding to utilities, and we take this thing as high as this community can. That's what I've got for you here in this video. Right now, we're up about 2.5%. Nice little bullish momentum going on here with Shiba Inu. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.